Hello and welcome to How Do I? The first How Do I we have today for you is how do I request my commissions? So you made some money, you want to get it in your hand, get it into your bank account. This is how you do it. First, you have to log into your back office at Make Money Even. There's the welcome page when you first log in. Then you can actually click on any one of these, but we're going to click on Affiliate Opportunity. Actually click it with your mouse. And the reason doing that, just so we can get to this part here. This is the menu bar that does a lot of stuff for you. But you see the one that says here, and this is one of our test accounts. So I'm going to click on Wallet. Okay, and you see it shows that's how many commissions we have available. And this is what we have as a credit right now. When you add a new wallet credit, you use it if you want to request your commissions, or if you just want to create a credit that you can use when you go shopping. You can purchase using your commissions and just type in the coupon number that you're going to get, and then that way you don't have to use a credit card. So we're just going to click on Add a New Wallet Credit. Okay, so when we get here, we can select all of it. If I do that, you'll see $1,280 USD. If I want to do that, or maybe I don't want all of it, so I'm going to say I want, let's say 5, 10, 15, 20, but you notice I can't click on it. It won't work yet because you have to at least have $25 to withdraw, correct? So we'll click it one more time. Now you got 25. It shows you 25. Maybe you want a little bit extra. You can do that. And let's see, 1, 2, let's do, and this 10 here. So now we got $45. So let's make it 50, okay? $50 sounds good. So we're gonna hit 50 here, and then we're gonna add on wallet. So once we click add on wallet, now we have a $50 credit that we can get for. You see right here, it puts it right here, and it reduced, it went from 1,280 to 1,230. If I were to delete this, it would just take it from here and put it back in your account for you. And that way, let's say you request it, because remember, we pay out the first week of each month, so you have until the end of the month to request your commissions. And at the end of the month, we'll go ahead and if we have your request in there, we're going to pay those commissions. But let's say you did it on the 15th, and then by the 20th, you realize you had another $20 worth. You can delete that and just create a new credit that encompasses all of the money, okay? So it works out really good. So we're going to copy this coupon code. So once you copy it, then you need to actually request it. So you open up a support ticket by clicking here, open ticket, and you can do the private you want to, normal, high, whatever you think is appropriate. Normal would be great for here. And that's, you can say, I want to withdraw funds, or you can say pay my commissions. That would be a good one too. You could also say pay out request. So there's all these different ones you can do just to let us know, hey, I want my money, right? So you go over here and you'll say hello, please pay me $50. Say, please pay me $50. And you can say my coupon code is, then just paste that in there. Now you just need to tell us how do you want it. Pay using my PayPal account, and then give us your PayPal email address. Okay, so whatever your PayPal email account is, just put it there, and just say, oops, thank you, me. Okay, you can do it that way. But now, PayPal can be used by anyone overseas or in the United States. In the United States or outside the United States. Let's say you're in the United States and you want to receive ACH. That's we don't do ACH outside, of course. So to pay using ACH, and then give us your routing number, and then your account number. Okay, and then we will pay you by ACH, so it'll go directly to your bank account. Let's say you want to pay by, let's say you're outside the United States and you want to go into your bank account. Well, then we can use what's called transfer wires. So say pay using transfer wires, and then right here we'll just type in your transfer wise information. Okay, so if you do it that way, then we'll pay you by transfer wise. They send it right into your account. They have very low fees. It's not like a bank wire, an international bank wire. We can send international bank wires or international fee transfers like that, but it is a $40 charge. So if you have a whole bunch of commissions, like let's say you want to withdraw $5,000, then that's a different story. Then $40 is not so bad to have it transferred right into your bank account. But once we start, there are limits with TransferWise. Once it gets higher, then you can go to the other one. For right now, TransferWise is great. The last option that we have is only for US only. So for US only, you can say, let me do this here. Pay using check. So we can mail it to you if you're in the United States. So when you do that, give us your name as you want to appear in your check, and then we need your address on where to mail it to. Full mailing address. This address has to correspond and the same as in your account details. We do check that. If you have for your receiving side or for your mailing address here is different than here, we will not mail this. It has to be the same as your account. So make sure that's right. And also note, for check only, for check only, there is a $5 fee. There's no other fee for PayPal or ACH or TransferWise, but for check there is a $5 fee. Okay, and if you request it that way, if you request 50, you're going to get back 45. So once you have it down and you say, okay, I got all this here. Right now you can do support. You don't even have to click it, but I would put your phone number in case we have to call you. Let's say there's a question, or it seems like I've seen people do ACH and they skip the digit and it's not coming up. So we need to call them and say, hey, this is not corresponding here. Okay, so anyway, if you do that, or I've seen people give the wrong PayPal, it goes out to PayPal, then people are coming back, hey, how come you haven't called me? Or we'll get it from PayPal, that's no one's collected it. Okay, so it is good to put your phone number in case we have to call you. If you're overseas, in case we have to call you, do Skype. And then give your Skype username. And then we can call you through Skype. And then that's free, right? So you don't have to worry about charges or anything like that. But once you actually get it all done, you say, hello, I want my $50. Here's my coupon code. This is how I wish to be paid. Thank you. And throw your Skype in there or your phone number. Or you can do both. Either one's fine. And once you do, just hit create ticket. Okay? And then once you create the ticket, there it is. It'll be in open status. Once it's closed, then you know it's done. And you can, if you want to go back and look at it, you can look at the closed ticket, like withdraw funds, and let's say that's the one we did here, and then you can just click on it. Okay, however you did it, just look for the one you did, and when you do it, just click it, and then you can see what we answered to it. This one we just closed it. It was just a test one we were doing. But anyway, that's all you have to do is you just go ahead and you create it, do your payout request, click on the subject, you can look at it again. And then when we get that, we pay it on the first week. Again, if you were to, let's say you asked for $50 on the 15th, and by the 29th, let's say you had another 20, so you can cancel that there. Let me show you, let me go back there again. Click on it, we'll go back to wallet. So let's say, oh, so I actually got $70 now, so I don't want 50, I want 70. You can delete this. There's two things you can do. You can delete this, and then you can give us a new information one, and say, hey, you know, I added 20 to it, and by clicking on that, you can add a note to it, and on your support ticket for your tickets right here, you can actually add on to it by say, hey, you know, and say, and I would just copy this. It's easier just to copy it. And then you can tell this, say I added more funds, see below. And let's say you did it and you changed it where you were taking 70 instead of 50, and then put it whatever the new code is, because you're going to delete the old one, so it's going to give you a new one. So whatever it is, put that there. Let's say that's the code, and then you keep the rest the same, and then just go ahead and post it, and we'll be able to see that you did that. Okay, so anyway, that's all you have to do. Remember, just once you log in your back office, click here, go to wallet, create a new wallet or wallet credit, and once you do that, then open up a support ticket and ask for the money. And that's all you have to do. So it's actually pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed it. Got any questions? Open the support ticket and let us know. Really appreciate it, and you take care.